Good morning and once again welcome for another lesson. We had revised this mathematics grade 6 that was done last year national examination KEPSA. So we proceed with the questions, that is question 21 to question 25, and question 21 says, Demo assist his father to sell clothes in their shop. Demo assist his father to sell clothes in their shop. He sold a dress for 1,675 shillings. He made a profit of 309 shillings. After selling the dress, what was the buying price of the dress? What was the buying price of the dress? That is the question. And you understand, for us getting the buying price, we need to have a formula that will guide us, and it has been always this: buying price is equals to selling price minus profit. Now here the selling price was 1,675 and the profit is here. This is the selling, this is the profit. So we subtract the profit, which is this, and then our answer will remain to 1,285. Question 22, the area of a rectangular piece of paper is 72 square centimeters. The length of the paper is 9 centimeters. What is the width of the paper in millimeters? In millimeters. Now, the first thing we need to find the width by doing this. We say area is equals to length multiplied by width, and then we've been given area, which is 72, will be equals to whatever that is there is 9. So 9 multiplied by what is not given. So we can use W in place of width. Therefore, we form an equation: 72, which is area, is equals to 9W. And then for us to remain with W alone, we have to divide 9 on both sides. So when we divide 9 into 9, it remains W. And then 9 into 72, it remains 8. Now 8 is equals to W. Now after getting this, it means our width is 8. But the question says in millimeters. Now we say 10 millimeters is equals to 10 millimeters is equals to 1 centimeter. And therefore, what if it is 8? So 8, I think we need to arrange it systematically to avoid confusion. So let us say 1 centimeter is equivalent to 10 millimeters. Now, if it is 8 centimeters, it will be 8 multiplied by 10. And then our answer will remain 80 millimeters. And then question 23 says, accurately measure the triangle. That is what I've this is the planning, but the question says, Omondi drew accurately the triangle shown on a piece of paper, and the triangle I think I've not drawn is this one. It looks like this. And then this part is N, this one is M, and this one is L. And then they are telling us to measure angle LMN using a protractor. What is the size of angle LMN? Now, if they tell us this is our angle of interest, the one that is in the middle. That is what we are supposed to measure. Now, because my diagram is not drawn to the scale, now this means if it's not drawn on the scale, this means you have to use your protractor. When you place here your protractor, you are going to use an outer scale, and then whatever you will get will be 40 degrees. That will be 40 degrees, our answer. And then there's next question, question 24, which says, while picking litter in the school compound, Munya picked the following 3D object. And this is the 3D object. The question is, how many edges does the object have? How many edges does the object have? Now, this is what we are supposed to do. Remember, we have edges, we have vertices, we have faces on any 3D object. And therefore, the question is very direct. They are asking us about what? They are asking us about edges. Now, edges, we have this point, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12. And therefore, our answer is 12. And then which timber is parallel? That's the last question of today. They are asking which timber is parallel. A carpenter joined 5 pieces of timber to make a window frame as shown. A carpenter joined 5 pieces of timber to make a window frame as shown. Which of the following pieces of timber are parallel? You know, parallel are those 2 lines that will never meet. When you tell your friend that you and I, we are parallel, it means you will never meet in any point. Therefore, any line you come across that they are opposed to one another and they are taking a straight line, they are opposed to one another at an angle of 90 degrees. Those are parallel lines. It means they will never be meet. For example, when we refer this question to social studies, we have or geography, we have the equator, we have the tropical of Cancer and Capricorn. Those lines will never do what? They will never meet. So parallel lines will never meet. Now, when we look at this, we have this point, M and P are parallel lines. M and P are parallel lines. M and P are now the question they are asking, I've said M and P are parallel lines. Another parallel lines we have N and Q. So parallel lines here, 1, we have M, P. 2, we have N, Q. Those are the only parallel lines that we can have here. And therefore, when you look at multiple choices, we have N and Q. Yes, they did not give you M and P because they cannot give you 2 right answers. So you are supposed to be vigilant and be careful and keen on such things. Otherwise, thank you. Let us stop from there. We are remaining with only 5 questions. That is from question 26 to question 30. And we will be done by this paper. Otherwise, thank you for sharing. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe and also remember to share. And it will be very, very fantastic. Thank you and see you next time.